Yeah. Tell me the
Yeah.
answer now.
So here we get alpha plus beta equals to minus a plus 1 from the next step.
We'll get here minus b is minus a by 1. I'll write here first. A is equals to 1.
Yeah.
B is equals to a. C is equals to b. And D is equals to C, right?
Yeah. A bit confused.
So alpha plus beta is equal to
Minus a by 1.
alpha plus beta is equals to minus a by 1 or plus 1?
Plus 1. Plus
Ah,
we take to
yeah, next.
yeah. Next here we have minus 1 if that alpha beta plus gamma alpha.
Alpha beta plus gamma alpha
Gamma
is
alpha.
equals to
Coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube.
means b by 1, right? B only.
Yeah.
C by
B
a.
only.
Here I'll write here C by a so that everyone understand properly. 1 minute.
Yeah.
I'll write here C by a first. C by a. Again, I'll write here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to b. Okay, next.
Okay, so we get we put the value of minus 1 in the place of gamma. So we'll get minus gamma plus alpha beta.
Gamma, what you should put? Gamma?
Gamma minus 1. We have
Ah,
taken gamma as minus 1.
for alpha beta?
And that alpha beta minus gamma is minus beta minus alpha, as we put minus 1 in the place of gamma.
No, what I'm saying that
Yeah.
here alpha beta is there. No, in alpha beta, what you should put? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. In place of
Nothing
alpha.
we should put. Leave alpha beta.
Okay. So here again, you should write alpha beta gamma is
No, no,
equals
no.
to third
That's
equation is not required.
sir. In the place of gamma here, we put minus 1
Hmm.
in that
Well,
one.
only in place of gamma.
Yeah, only in place of gamma.
So we'll get alpha beta minus
Beta.
beta and minus alpha
Yeah, minus alpha
is
equals
equals
to
to
b.
b.
And so we take alpha beta equals to b plus a plus b plus alpha plus beta.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Alpha beta. So you want to change alpha or beta?
Sir, alpha beta will be in this side only. Take the rest to the other side.
I mean, this part you want to send to the other side.
Yeah, please send it.
So alpha beta is equals to b plus beta
Alpha
plus
plus
alpha,
alpha.
right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
We know the value of alpha plus beta.
So
And
alpha beta is equal to
sorry, sir. Alpha plus beta equals to
1 minute.
yeah.
Let me erase this one first. What we can do, no, this erase. We can write other way like the product of the other two zeros you should find. Product of the two means you should find what? You have to find
That,
alpha beta only,
alpha.
no?
Yeah.
The same thing you did correctly only. Alpha beta is equal to b plus beta plus alpha. It was correct only, no? So now alpha plus beta place what you can write? A minus a plus 1. So b minus a plus 1. This only, no?
Yeah, done. Same.
Okay. Once again, I'm just telling to everyone, children, listen here. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to a, c is equals to b, d is equals to c. So alpha beta gamma is equals to minus b by a. This is a formula. So we're putting one of the product is what? Minus 1. So here gamma is mentioned as minus 1. So we can write alpha plus beta as it is equals to minus a. Again, alpha beta plus beta is equals to what? Minus a plus 1. Again, from the next equation, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equals to what? C by a. Okay. And we can do by that the method also, maybe I think alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is equals to what? C only, right? So alpha
Yes.
beta is equals to C Only C will get, because minus C will get, right? Means from alpha, beta, gamma is equal to what? C. Then alpha, beta, if you want, you will get what? Minus C over here, right? And for minus C, what you can write? You can't write anything over here. Okay, from this you leave now. Because if you go do from alpha, beta, gamma, it will come only C, right? Because this is minus D by A. Okay, next you see here. So alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. So we are putting here, instead of alpha, this gamma and gamma, we are putting it as -1 and -1. So we are getting as alpha, beta plus minus alpha is equal to B. So this is the answer. Anyone having doubt in this? Any one of you having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question is, hmm, so next question is like, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 48 are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial.
Both positive, I think.
So you should find D, right? Huh?
Yeah, no need. 3x square minus 48 equals to 0.
So
So
3 you
3x
should take common, right?
48. X square equals to 48 by 3. Root over of 48 by 3 will always be positive. So that's
X plus 4 and x minus 4. So what is the answer for this? X is equals to -4 and +4. You are getting answer, right? Both positive or both negative? Which was positive, which is negative? One
I
positive, one.
think
Huh?
both must be positive, right?
How?
If we find the zeros, even it will be the same.
Zeros you find, what do you get the answer?
Yeah,
You get plus minus 4 you get, no? Zeros if you find.
yeah.
So one is positive, one is negative, right?
Plus minus I am not taking. If you find the zeros, I am doing like 3x square minus 48 equals to 0. So 3x
Okay.
square equals to 48.
No, that way you can't do. That
Okay.
way you cannot do.
Yeah.
See, if you write here like this, 3x square is equal to 48, then x square is equal to 16, right? Like this you are saying.
Yeah.
So x
X
is equal to
equals to
then,
4.
then also plus minus
Yeah,
4
yeah.
you are
Plus
getting.
minus. Okay.
Next one is, mhm, zero of a quadratic polynomial x square. All of you write in the chat box whether it's positive, negative, or whatever it is. Just put in the chat box once. What is the answer for this? Just tell me the answer for this, children, all of you. So here answer you have mentioned as C option. Okay.
Sir, this is a multi-option question.
Multi-option.
Yeah, I think.
So zeros of quadratic polynomial are. So zeros means you have to find the value of what?
X.
How you get the value of x and all?
No, you are saying the discriminant if we have to find it.
Hmm. So what would the answer for this? What you can try? Hmm. Both both equal, both can not be positive, both can be both unequal, both cannot be negative. If you find discriminant, what you will get? D is equals to b square minus 4ac, right?
Yeah.
So b square is p square minus 4 into c is what? P. So p square minus 4p. So here discriminant is what? P square minus 4p. If you're finding x, what you will get? Minus b plus minus root p square minus 4p divided by 2. That's it, no? And here b is what? P only. So minus
Yeah.
p
Here
plus
discriminant equals to 0. So,
discriminant is equal to 0.
no,
How?
sir. X square plus px plus p equals to 0, I think. So,
That is given. Yeah, 0 the polynomial r, what will happen?
sir, by seeing the equation only, we can say that both cannot be negative. So,
Both cannot be
both will be
negative. Hmm.
cannot be negative. We can by seeing the equation only.
Hmm. Both cannot be negative.
Yeah.
How both can? If p is negative something, then what will happen? If you suppose you are writing p can be anything, right? If you are writing here minus 4x, and you can't write minus 4x, something you write here plus 4x and plus 4. We can both will become positive only, or both will become negative. Say what will come the answer for this? X is equal to, if you'll get minus 2 and minus 2 only, correct?
Yeah.
Till if p you are
Hopefully.
taking as 4,
Yeah.
then how it will come? If you if you take negative, then what you will get? X square minus 4x
X
minus
minus
4.
2. This is also will be both positive.
The b square minus 4ac means 16 only. B square is 16, 0 will get. So both will get here. What will get here?
Positive.
Uh, but here, what is the discriminant you will get here? What discriminant will get here? So both cannot be negative, correct? Both cannot be negative, means both are negative already we got. Next, if you put here minus 4x and minus 4, b square minus 4ac minus 4a and c, the plus 16 will come. It will come 32, right? So d is we are getting 32. So minus b means minus plus 4 plus minus root 32 divided by 2a. So 2 a is what? 1. So here what will get? Answer is what? In this case you will get, what will get in this case? One positive, one negative, right? One positive, one negative we are getting here. So both cannot be positive. Positive will come in any case. Both cannot be positive, right? It can come anytime. How to do this? How you got others? What you have solved? Tell me, others, Paul. How you have solved this question?
I guessed it, sir.
Huh?
I guessed it, sir.
It's a guess, da. Okay. Anyone who is able to find this answer? Anyone can? Drishi, Praharshan, Rasul, anyone know this question? Say fast. You know this answer or not? Just guessed. Now you tell me, Samarth, which option is correct here?
Yeah, it's confusing.
So from here we got D option is not correct, right? And now we are getting one is positive, one is negative, right?
Yeah.
One is positive and one negative.
One is positive and one negative you are getting.
Here, see, we are fine now here. -4 plus 4 plus minus √2. So what will solve here? +4
Root 32 or root 2?
√32.
Yeah.
4 √2 will get, no? 4 √2 by 2. The one positive and one negative will get, right? 4 if you take common here. So come 2 minus √2.
Yeah.
Actually, you should write here 2 plus minus √2.
Sir, you must take 2 as common. I don't think. And 2 will not be there. 1 plus.
1 plus √2 will come. Plus minus √2.
Hmm.
Divide by 2. So here one is plus, one is minus, obviously, right? So one is positive, one is negative, you find.
Okay.
So both cannot be positive. So the rules of quadratic equation are both cannot be positive. Both equal, both unequal, both cannot be negative, both.
Sir, both equal or unequal, one must be there from that two.
Uh,
So,
hmm. Drishi, can you help out? Drishi? Hello, Drishi. Are you understanding this question? I
sir,
think her network was only low, I think. Tell Samarth.
just a minute, sir, solve. I can get it.
Solve. I'm also trying once what we can do. Here by B formula, we are not getting that, no. The quadratic with the quadratic equations,
Both always positive and both always negative and both will be everything.
Drishi, we can't hear you properly. Something awkward sound is coming from your side. If discriminant is b square minus 4p is greater than 0, so p square is greater than 4p. So pp get cancelled, p is greater than 4. Which option is correct? Trishi, type the answer. What you are saying? What you are saying, just write.
Sir, I think we do not have to do this much process. I found a easier process.
Okay, say.
I was unable to get for equal or unequal, but here, sir, you will see that product of zeros equals to positive.
What?
That product of zeros is positive.
Product of 0 is positive. Acha,
Yeah, and the sum of zeros equals to
Product of
negative.
0. Product of 0 means you meant to say C by A, right?
Yeah, see why
If
you got
P,
positive, right?
if P is negative, you are taking, then it will be positive. If P is negative,
But here p is plus given, right? That's why.
the
If
plus
negative, then minus must be given, as it is the product.
So plus is there when p can be negative also. No, why plus p is measurements? It's already plus only. It may be minus also, right?
No, no, sir. Let's take equals to C by A, then P by A, P by
Hmm.
1.
Okay,
And
as per you only I'm
from
going.
here,
Alpha beta is equal to p by 1. Fine. Next.
yeah, P be any sign. So both of alpha and beta have the same sign.
Huh.
And alpha plus beta, the sum of zeros,
Hmm.
equals
Is
to minus B by minus K.
minus p. Huh.
Yeah, minus P. So
Hmm.
we get here the sign is negative
Huh.
and both have the same signs, and
Huh.
hence the zeros are negative. Cannot be both negative. Just
So which option
cannot
is
be both
correct?
positive. So that B1 only.
Both cannot be positive,
Yeah,
but both cannot be negative. Negative is possible. Yes, correct.
yeah.
Both cannot be
So,
positive. You are correct now, because either both are negative or both are positive, right?
yes,
See, alpha beta both are negative, both, or both are positive. No, no, no. One positive can be possible, right? Or one positive, one negative. 1 minute. What we have doing here? Here, if you see what you are saying right now, alpha beta equals C by A. Here given positive. So either alpha beta both negative or both positive. Correct? Samarth. Then only this will come positive, no?
yes,
And alpha plus beta is equal to minus P. It means that both will be positive, negative is possible, but both will be positive is not possible, right? So option B is correct, right? But anyway, I'm having doubt in this question still. Something
why, sir?
because I think here P is there, no? This P may be negative, who knows? That
Let it be negative, but they have the same sign only.
if it come negative, see, alpha and beta, if it is coming negative sign, then what will happen? Tell me. Any of the one will be pakka negative, right? One will be pakka negative. If you say negative sign, that the both cannot be negative, right? If you're saying this way,
Yeah.
if I'm taking minus P, then both cannot be negative, answer will come.
Just a minute, let me check.
That's why I'm saying anyway. And right now just be like this only. Drishi is telling C option. If both can't positive and both can't negative, then option C should be correct. Hmm. So 0 quadratic polynomial x square plus 4x minus 4. Mhm. Next, what we can do?
Sir, both are unequal will be the answer.
Oh,
Because if you put minus, you will get a different one.
okay.
But if you put plus, it's a bit confusing actually.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's confusing, no?
If you put that plus, then it's equal, and if you put minus, it's unequal. I don't know
Mhm.
how to do it.
Mm, let me think. If we do by b square minus 4, see what we can do. But this is a high five question actually. If you see here, no, it's not of your level actually. This question bit different only. we have to do this question. I think I'm thinking by your level only, but this is going to be beyond this. I think. 1 minute. Let me start. How I have started? No, the
Sir,
same way I
just a
start.
minute. I searched on Google, so I am sending you the answer. You can check.
But Google,
Yeah, I searched this on Google to get the answer.
don't search in the Google. Google, if you search me, so high five question will little show.
Sir,
Before what I was doing, no, that way only might have they have given. What I was doing
no,
before.
sir. Yeah, in your way only, but they
Uh,
have taken something other logic.
Acha.
Just sending in the chat.
That method only if I do, I'll just do b square minus 4ac. No, that method only they'll do, right? 1 minute. So if b square minus 4ac, if you do, what will come in? D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to p, and c is equals to p, right? So b square is nothing but p square minus 4 into 1 into p. So p square minus 4p, right? This is a discriminant. What you have sent? Same question, same answer only is given here.
Same answer is only given, but please check the process.
Okay. So here they have given here sum of the zeros, product of zero, right? The sum of the zero means alpha plus beta is equals to what? Minus b by a. There's minus p by 1. And alpha beta is equals to what? P, right?
Yeah.
The same thing is given. Sum is positive, product is negative. Sum is positive.
But sir, it has also taken with as negative. You can check that part.
Uh-huh. If k is negative and if k is positive, right? If k is negative, if k is negative, or if you hear is p, right? Same thing I told, no, Samarth, they will have to write positive and negative, right?
Yeah.
If p is negative, then sum is what? Sum is positive, correct?
Yeah.
And product is negative.
Negative.
So 1 0 will be positive and 1 will be negative. So 1 0
Yeah.
will be positive, 1 will be negative in this case. If sum is positive, then next, if k is if you write here p is positive, then what you should write? Then both must be. Then what will come? Both zero cannot be, both zeros are negative. If p will come positive, when this p will come positive, tell. This p will come positive when it will come. Either both will be. Then if you see p is positive, means sum should be what? Sum will be positive and product is positive. Both are positive only, right?
Yes.
No. If p is positive, means sum is negative is coming, right? Sum will come negative, no? If that is positive.
Yeah. Opposite only. Both will.
So this will come negative and this will come positive. So when this is possible, when this is a possibility, if product is coming positive, it means that either both will be positive or both will be negative, correct?
Yeah.
So both negative only possibility is there. If both positive will come, then this is not possible, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So which option is correct? So here cannot be positive. Both cannot be positive. Answer is correct. Both cannot be positive.
Cannot be positive.
So this way. That's why plus is mentioned here, but we can't go only with plus. That's the main thing here, right? We can't go
Yeah.
mainly only with plus. Rasul, this took long time, but you understood whatever this thing is there. Anyone who is not able to understand this?
So can you explain again?
Yeah, see what I'm just trying to say here. Once again, we are going through it.
Okay.
1 minute. See, the question is here A is 1, B is P, and C is minus P. So P may be positive and may be negative also. So as per question, if you see alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A, that is minus P, right? And alpha beta is equals to only P, that is C by A. So there are two cases over here. This P may be positive or may be negative, or maybe negative P also. So when it is positive, then what is the situation? And then when it is negative, then what is the situation? Both situations mentioned over here. When P is negative and when P is what? Positive. Okay. So both situations mentioned. If P is negative, then what is happening? Sum is positive. How sum is positive? Because see, if you mention here minus P here, minus P, right? Minus P and P is negative. So this whole part become what? Positive in that case. So sum is positive and product will become what? Negative. So positive, negative is coming over here. Either it means that your one root should be positive, one root should be negative. Rasul, is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next part, if you see here, if P is positive, so your sum will become negative only. If P is positive, the sum will be what? Negative. Right? Minus P. And your product is positive. So in this case, both negatively only possibility is there. Both negative only possibilities. There is no possibility of plus over here. Because sum is negative and product is positive. I think it's clear now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next question. This took a long, very long time. So I think nobody is doing this one. What I sent this one, right? It's question from what I've sent the question bank few days back.
So preparing for social.
What, Praharshan?
So preparing for socials.
As a social, preparing for social. Okay. What is the number of zeros in a cubic polynomial?
3.
That's it. Yeah.
3. It can be
Three.
2. It can be 2 also. It can be 1 also. It can be like that also is
Yeah.
there, no?
Maximum 3.
Minimum
Minimum 0.
0 also is possible.
No, 1 is possible, not 0.
Hmm.
So is this question incorrect?
No, answer 3 only will come. If cubic polynomial means 3 only, right? If maybe all 3 same means we call it as 3 only, no?
But sir, that's not there.
Yeah, correct. They should mention actually, right?
Yeah.
Maximum 3 or something like that. Okay, next question. Question is question number 20.
So no matter what is it, you'll always get 3 right, sir.
No, it may be actually I've read in Switzerland book. It's mentioned here 2 also, 1 also, like that I've mentioned also.
So like even like you have to get 0, 0 and some other number, all 3 zeros. You're gonna still get 3 solutions, right? It doesn't
Actually,
matter what you do. For a cubic polynomial, you'll still get a 3 zeros.
see x to the power 3 is equal to 1. So x what will get? X is equal to 1 will get, right?
So plus minus 1, something else will also might happen.
What will get plus minus won't possible only now. X to the power 3 is equal to 1 is there. How will get plus minus 1? Only 1 is the answer, correct? In this
Oh,
case,
okay, sir, understood.
it may be 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. Like that. Actually, I have seen in Switzerland board that's mentioned. I was knowing 3 polynomial. This cubic 3 means 3 only answers. But actually maximum 3. It may be 2, it may be 1. Like
That
that.
B, C, D must be the answer. 3 of them.
So what is the
Sir,
answer
sir,
for
sir, sir,
20?
sir.
Huh?
Just a minute. This is a multiple answer, correct?
23rd.
Here numbers S is mentioned.
Ah.
So multiple answer correct here. B, C, and D will be the answer.
24th you check 24th. If 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial this, then the value of B is what?
So minus 2.
Minus 10, sir.
Minus 10. Okay, next question is the value of A, B, C. The value of A, B, C in the given quadratic polynomial R. But where
Minus
is
6 minus 4 and 1.
A? Which type of question is this?
Sir, what is this question, sir?
Yeah. I thought it's a very hard question, so I gave. Next question. You tell me question number 31st. 31st, all of you tell me 31st, 31st, 31st. Thirty-one, 32. Tell me the answer for this.
Sir, the value of that 31 is 1. Answer. A is the 1.
31, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Should all of you mention in the chat box which answer is correct? Two zeros of the polynomial this are A and 2 by A. Then the value of A is A only, 1 only. Harsan, you were telling for 31st, right?
Sir, it's supposed to be B, sir. I put something.
Okay. So here if A and B, these are the roots of the polynomial, right? So alpha plus beta, if you see alpha plus beta, then we can write -4 only, right? And alpha beta is equals to what? 2. It means that A into 2 by A into 2 by A sorry, a plus 2 by a is equals to minus 4. And here a into,
You are doing from alpha plus beta.
huh,
It will be easy for alpha beta.
alpha plus beta is 2 by a. The a will get cancelled.
Yeah.
So 2 only is getting now.
2a equals to 2, right?
2a is equals to 2.
Yeah.
A and
I'm
2 by a. The a will get cancelled now.
okay. Yeah.
So if you solve by here, a plus a square plus 2 is equals to minus 4a. If you do by like this, then
Yeah.
what will
You
get?
get
Then
a quadratic equation.
a square minus 4a plus 2 is equals to 0.
Plus 2 plus 4a plus 4a. You
Hmm.
get it to the other side.
Okay, then what you can write for this? What will come only? Minus b plus minus root b square 16 minus 4ac minus 8. 8 only will come. Divide by 2. So minus plus 2 root 2 is coming. What is coming here? The
Sorry,
value of
I don't know. But
but method is correct only now. How are you getting Praharshan? What you have done to get 2 over here?
Sir, I switched 2 in place of a, and if I couldn't do it with other numbers, like I couldn't get the zeros of it, so I just switched. Only 2 was working to find the zeros.
Achha, 2 into 2 by 2. This only is working, right? Then only 2 is
Sir,
coming.
no, sir, like 2 into 2 is
Hey,
4.
what? Wait. I think we have done mistake here. No, 1 minute. This is C is 2a, not we are writing here 2, right? C is 2a, no.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So there we have done mistake right now. Wait, we'll do by alpha beta only.
Sir, I think we will get 1 only. I've done the same.
Sir, but for alpha beta, why will you take 2a, sir?
C by a person, C by a. C is 2a only, no.
Okay, for that. Okay, understand.
If you do by alpha plus beta, then also come with some. If you do the a is equals to what? 1. Next question, 32nd one.
Sir, but with 1 you can't get a 0.
What you can't get? 0. What? Polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let
You
me see.
can't split it the 2, right? If it's you won't be able to. So it's 2 into 1 is the only thing. So x
Okay.
value has to be 3x at that time.
Wait. X square plus 4x plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
A if you put, you won't come.
Sir, if you put it as 1, how will it come, sir?
The 0, but 0 will come here, no? A and 2 by a should come, right? These are the zeros, not is equal to 0 should not come is equal to a value should be. Your roots are the a and 2 by a.
Sir, like how you won't get the zeros for this polynomial, right? Sir? That's what I'm trying.
You won't get. Why you won't get? You'll get
How
no.
are you gonna split 4x and plus 2 there?
See here, if you put here values of a is 1, right? So 1 and 2 you will get. Just put, you will getting or not?
So not that, sir. I understood that part, but over here, like from the polynomial, how can you get it?
Acha, ha. The alpha beta is equal to 2a by. That you are also correct. Here a and a is cancelling, then 2 by 2 is coming. Okay. The 2 will also get cancelled. A is equal to 1. If you put here a is equal to 1, then also you are not getting, right?
Yes.
Samar?
Sir,
Here you don't coming here. Answer is if you solve this one, you'll not get 1 and 2. That's the main thing.
Sir, you get 2, sir, but you won't get 1. So
How you
if
get 2? 2 also you won't get now.
you get 2, you'll get 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So you can split it into 2x plus 2x.
Okay.
2x plus
X
2x.
square plus
How?
4x plus
4.
4. So you'll get 2x and 2x, right?
Yes.
The answer is -2, -2. But here if you're
You will
getting,
get -2, -2.
answer will get -2, -2 only now if you solve this.
Just a minute, let me solve.
Yeah, obviously you'll get
Yeah,
-2,
yeah, yeah.
-2.
It's correct. Yeah, yeah.
But here answer is coming what? 2 and 2 only, right? Praharshan. How is
Yes.
it? How is it possible? This is also not possible now.
So then what's the correct answer?
Wait, let me check which is the correct answer over here. 31st. A option is correct.
So that's okay.
But A we are doing means how? Then also you're what is happening here?
Sir,
C
is this question correct, sir?
2 A if means we're getting 1 and 2. The 1 and 2 if you put you won't get only the answer, right?
Yes.
Samarth? (32) is equal to D. To this kind of question, if them means
Sir, I think I might leave today. Actually, I have another class now.
okay, children, you can leave now, all of children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.